I can see you over there typing. Turn around. I don't want to turn around. I'm sorry. Yo, yo. It's your boy. Jay go crazy. What's good, y'all? It's your boy, Jay go crazy. And we are here and we are back, ladies and gentlemen, with the Outlast 2. Now, I'm just going to point this out. I don't know where this story is going at this point. I know we're supposed to get to the mines to go save baby girl, but quite frankly, fuck her. I'm sorry, I cannot say that. But get her out of here. I'm tired of her. You feel me? I'm getting sick and tired of having to go search for her, and I'm getting chased by fucking Tweedledee and Tweedledum and shit. You feel me? But like I said, enough being said. We're gonna hop back into this thing. So let's get it and let's go. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, y'all already know the saying. Come on, say it with me now. Anything but a chicken wing good, buddy. Let's get it. You hear that? Get it. Get it. I'm sorry. I wanted to make like it was an echo. I'm sorry. But you already know it's time to go run for our life. You feel me? Let's go. Let's see. Who that? Oh, a battery. Okay. Let me just go and grab the raft or something. Like, is that our raft? I think it is. I just hear somebody growl. What the fuck? Hey! ¿Qué pasó? Oh, it is somebody over there. I knew I wasn't crazy. Hell. I knew I wasn't crazy. I heard some type of growling. Well, how about you stay? Why does it sound like she on my... Nope, time to go. Let's go. Let's go.
There. The raft. Just cross.
What you want me to do? Oh, okay. About to say, I hope you don't expect me to dive off that muff. Oh. Where the hell you going?
Motherfucking no.
Oh my god. That is insane. Hold on, Gango.
Killed as a warning. Or a welcome.
That ain't no welcome. I'll tell you that right now.
That raft can't have gone far.
Alright. We got action. Upset us. Yeah, this sounds like some bullshit. I might as well just go back and drown. I'm not gonna hold you. Hell no, they got warriors in the bushes. So I'm confused now. I see y'all, you know that, right? Yo, I can see you. This nigga must think I'm blind or something. Fuck it. Grab the shit, 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 grab the shit. Grab the shit and let's go. Grab the paddle and let's go. Row, row, row your boat, nigga. Hell no. Gently down the stream. Come on. Why y'all acting like that? Yee, nothing. Oh my God, I can't see. Ah! I'm scared. I'm stuck. The boat is stuck. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God! Roll this motherfucking boat! Damn it! Hell no, he laughing a little too high excited. Fuck that. Let's go. What's that? What light is that? Jumping across? Oh, these people are savages. Oh, I ain't safe. It ain't safe here. They over here leaping across goddamn canyons and shit. Oh my God. Oh, it ain't safe. Oh, nigga, it is not safe. What the hell? Hell no. Why we speeding up? Why we speeding up? Why the hell we speeding? Hey. What the fuck is that? Oh! No, the boat! Oh! No! They got that brand. Oh, no. I'm on a half a damn boat. Oh, my God. We almost there. At this point, I just gotta embrace it. I'm coming, baby girl. We on our way, baby. What I seen people.
There's the mine.
Does the sun ever come up in this place?
Ben, what are they doing to her? You think she's somebody's mother? Called me the father, but I'm not. I mean, we haven't in months.
Ah! 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 Whoa! Whoa! Swim, nigga! Swim! 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 Oh my God! Oh my God! Ah! Now that we know this. Oh, great. So I gotta go that way. Oh, great. Wonderful. How wonderful. Goddamn game. Y'all made it seem like it was rocket science. The pool ain't even that damn big. Is he coming? Not again, damn it. Not again, damn it. Not again, damn it.
What the fuck?
What the hell? Ah! Go back the other way.
Fuck.
Ah!
Wait! Wait!
Ah! Ah!
No!
What the hell?
No!
Why is there so much blood?
No! Get away from me!
Go, 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 go. Fuck all that. We ain't got time. Open, 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 open. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the hell? Is it actually raining blood? Yo! Hold on. Hell no! What in the type of supernatural shit? What he got to say?
Raining blood. Dripping off her shoes, I think. No. Just... I tried not to step in the blood because I didn't want to leave tracks.
Fuck. What did you do? You must have did something. He did something wrong. What in the... Now, what did you do that was so devious that all of this is happening right now? I need to know. Right now. Excuse me. That's a bunch of Jesus crosses. And quite frankly, I don't know if I want to go down that that rabbit hole right there. That looks a little too scary, frankly. But I know we got to go. And for the sake of y'all, I'ma go. Lord, in the name of the Jesus and the Holy Spirit, God, I am not a part of these shenanigans, Jesus. Oh my God. I am not a part of this. I do not believe, I do not condone in this, Jesus. God is my witness. Oh my God. Oh my God. No. What? Hey. 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 What the hell? Hey. No. Hey, blood. Hey, blood. Hey, I know you still behind this door, dog. God damn it. Oh, this is about to be some bullshit. Close that door. Close that door. Close that door right now. I don't trust it. I don't trust it. Nope. I don't trust it. It's only one light, dark in every corner. That means something about to pop off. Okay. Face your fears, boy. Yo. Oh, anyone or anything in here? Oh my god, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What in the fuck? What in the fuck? Stop it now. So they know I'm here. So the element of surprise is gone. So that's just great. Ah! You better not turn this close. I hear you. Goodness. This is outlandish behavior. Why? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, I hear it. Fuck all that. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm dead. Oh my god, I'm dead. Oh my god. Who am I hearing? Matter of fact, not who, what in my hearing? Hurry up, 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 hurry up. Fuck, open it.
The
How
mine
many
entrance
batteries
is
do we
usually on
have
the
left?
top floor.
Okay. We only got 2 more left. Somebody is moving through this, dog. Cause there's no reason why these chains are moving. I don't think that. I don't think there's a breeze. I knew it! I'm sorry!
We tried to get her back before the enemy cracks her womb. But
What?
Wait, Lynn? Have you seen her?
they killed us. The lucky ones they killed. Get
What?
out! We have to leave. We have to go.
Get out. Wait. Bro. Where'd he go? What the f... Where did he go? So they tried to save her. That's what he said. But they killed... But I guess they killing some of them? Fuck. Do I go back here now? I'm so confused. Where did he go? Ain't no way bro disappeared that damn fast. Maybe I gotta... How do we get... Oh, here we go. This is where he went. Damn it, boy. Damn it, game. Why are we here? Why are we back here? Again. I'm getting sick of this school. I'm Dog, what did you do? Oh no. Get over there. Get over the counter. Young. I haven't. Is it me? Have I not been paying attention, ladies and gentlemen? Cause did you watch it? So hold on. So the little girl that we keep seeing is your good man's, am I correct? I believe that's your good man. So if that being said, if that is your good, that was your good man's, then fuck no. Oh my god, my head. No. So that means you watched her die? Look like y'all been hinting of suicide. So she killed herself. You watched it, I'm guessing. And now she's coming back to bite you in the ass. Or ain't no even or. Oh. Why is this the only computer on? This works. This is weird. I can see you over there typing. Turn around. I don't want to turn around. I'm sorry! Go back on. Is she texting again? Okay, look, I said I was sorry. Can I apologize for him? Close this, because ain't no point in even going in there. So I can't apologize. Wait, it's another one. I can see you. Who is that typing? Blake against the machine. What was the other thing on your screen? The window you closed when I was coming over. Nothing, just messing around. Still haven't figured this computer thing out. I can help you. Fuck. Close that right quick. Close that right quick. I need to sit here and let this load up right quick. I need to see what this man has to say. Come on, thing, load faster. Alright, let me see. Alright, great. Did all that for nothing. Alright, let's go then. That's going back into the pool area. The hell? Y'all see her too, right? Hell no, I ain't going down there again. I'm not doing it. You got me fucked up. And I'm getting the fuck out of Dodge. Bro, the screen has to stop doing this, dog. Close the door. Oh, what's good, man? I'm doing good. How are you? Can we go through here? No, that's the stairwell. Young, can I reload? What's up? Stay your ass back there, little girl. Don't you get no closer. I'll be right with you shortly. You know the hell I want. Time to go. Time to run. It's time to go. Come on. It's gotta be another way out, this sucker. Nope. Ain't no way y'all gonna force me to go down this hallway. She still there? Fuck it. Yeah, you think I don't know that? Oh, great. That means we gotta go that way in her direction. What the fuck? Oh no, not again. Oh no, not again. Oh no, sir, not again. Oh no, sir, not again. Oh no, fucking sir, not again. I will not be caught again. I rebuke it. I ain't getting caught. Up. Oh shit! What the hell? No. How the hell we end up outside? Nigga, did you jump? Oh yeah, no, that's enough. I'm ending that right there, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, we gotta wrap that up. I'm not getting caught up. You seen that, right? Hell no. This is why I don't like school. That right there is the prime example of why I do not like school, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, like I said, it's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, you feel me? And I'm gonna see y'all in the next episode. Peace.